Welcome to the channel. This is the first video of the year. Just going for a little drive in my wagon, the VN SVLE. I actually wanted to go for a drive in the VR GTS today, but I couldn't be bothered moving them all out, so I thought I'll just take out the wagon. It was easy to get out, not as many cars locking it in. They're still a fun thing to drive, these things. The old 5 litre is a fun car to drive. Any of these old Commodores are fun to drive because there's a lot of character to these cars. You know what you're driving. It's not that modern, but it's not too old school that it's a hard car to drive. It's still got all the basic things you need. Got power windows, central locking, mirrors, power steering, all of that stuff. But they're just a fun car to drive. Don't know what you can hear, but it sounds alright. This one's not too loud. It's pretty standard compared to my other cars. Most of mine are pretty quiet. I don't do a lot of mods to my cars. I like them pretty stock. It's always nice to get them out on the open road, little windy roads like this. There it is. Nice revenue razor. Got a lot of stuff in the back of the wagon. You can hear it rattling. I should have taken it out, but I wasn't planning on filming. Just wanted to check out these new Ray-Ban glasses and how they work. Just kick it back to second for a bit. Just touching it a little. It's getting windy now. It's good because it's pretty hot today. See the seats, the SV seats. Put it back into fourth. Got to give them a little bit here and there. Poor old cars. But that's what they were kind of built for. Give them a little bit of a go here and there. Otherwise, where's the fun in it? Yep, it's hot. I still have to film this thing on the outside to show all the new paint. I haven't really done a proper video on it since it's been painted, so I'll probably show you that in a video soon. Just haven't had time, but I do get out and enjoy them from time to time, just not as much as I'd like. Just gonna pull up here, just do a little takeoff. Spins easy. Bit too easy. Gonna need some new tyres. For those of you that don't know too much about VNs and the 5 litres, the standard 5 litre had 165 kilowatts. The entry model HSV had 180 kilowatts, like the SV89, the Club Sport, the SVLEs, the Malus, and then the SV5000 had the 200 kilowatt motor. So not a lot more power than the normal 5 litre, but you can feel it. There's also more torque. Got another set of lights that are out here. Just go real slow. They're all good. And another. These wagons, it was 80 built, first official HSV wagon. They were basically the Christmas special. That's what by HSV. I think that's why they chose red for both of the wagon and the sedan. And if I get time later, I'll show you the actual decals on the LE. They're meant to be shaped as a Christmas tree. It came with the standard SV wheel, got the standard sports instruments, tacho, normal speedo. So basically all you got extra was the tacho, but because you got a tacho on the left, you got 2 small temp and fuel gauges, whereas on the normal VN, they're basically, the temp gauge is the same size as the tacho, and a bit tacky if I'm honest. I much prefer the full instrumentation, and obviously for me my preference is always the trip computer, because the graphics on those are a lot more modern, which was in the Calais, and they continued on with those same graphics all the way to the VS in the Calais and the HSVs, which is really, really nice. At least the lights are back on here. Lucky day, got an arrow. Sun's going down now, but I might just pull in up here, do a very quick walk around on the car with the Ray-Ban glasses and see how that looks. Let's have a quick look. Just leave it like that. See how we go, guys. That there is the Christmas tree, the limited edition LE. Nice VYSS there as well. Make sure you check out my other videos on the channel. That's my brother's VP Calais 5 litre. There's a lot of other videos on brochures talking about models, mainly Holdens at this stage. And we also have the Back in Time photo series. We're up to 16 now. There'll be more coming, but I need to make a few other videos first before I release the next one. Potholes here. Guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really just wanted to get in, test out these new Ray-Bans to see what they can do. Hopefully I'll use them again, do some point of view videos. I don't know what they're like, but interesting. These cameras are pretty clear too, because I did test that out at home. But thanks for tuning in. Hope to catch you on a video very soon. Take it easy.